So, are you looking for specific strategies as a life coach for you so that you can go out there and make more money as a life coach right now? Well, don't worry, I got you covered as I'm going to be going over 5 of my best strategies for you to make more money as a life coach right now. Let's go.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over specifically how you can make more money in your life coaching business. And we're going to be going over 5 specific strategies that you need to follow in your life coaching business so that you can go out there and actually start making a lot more money well into the 6 figures for your life coaching business in the next year. Let's rock and roll. All right, so the first strategy that we want to make sure that we follow is identification and identifying specifically who it is that we are looking to help. So what we want to make sure that we do when we're identifying the who it is that we are looking to help is we want to make sure that we identify the specific desires that they have. What is the surface desire they see right in front of them that they want, and what is that surface desire going to help them get? So me, right, as a business coach and marketing consultant for life coaches and healers, I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K. That 100K, that first or next 100K, is that surface desire that I'm helping you and other life coaches get. And then what they take and can get from that 100K is the next thing, what we classify as their core desire that you're going to be helping them get to after you help them get to that core, that surface desire. So what we want to make sure that we do is we understand what is the surface desire that they want, and then what is that surface desire going to be able to help provide them. So those life coaches that I help, make their first or next 100K, for them, what that 100K might help provide them is to be an entrepreneur and a life coach full time. It might be to spend more time with their children, to travel more, to spend more time with their spouse, whatever it might be. But that 100K is the surface desire that I'm helping them get, and that's that surface desire that's going to help them, get to the main goal that they actually want to obtain. So what we want to make sure that we're doing is that we really know and identify our who and really know those desires so that when we are speaking to our who, when we create our offers right for our who, and we're going out there and marketing ourselves and specifically asking people to sign up with us, that we are talking to the right people, and those people being the people who need our help. All right, so the second strategy that we want to go over is creating your irresistible life coaching offer that your prospects, the people that need your help, are going to feel stupid at saying no to. Now, when you're creating your irresistible life coaching offer, in this strategy, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we create an entire offer and not just a product, right? A singular offer, which, to be honest with you, over 99% of life coaches are already making. So what we want to make sure we're doing is that we create a full-fledged offer around the product, around the solution that we're going to provide, right, to the problem, right, that the who has that we just talked about. So what we want to make sure that we do is we first identify what is the solution that we're going to provide, and how are we going to provide that solution? Are we going to provide that solution by packing it up in a cardboard box and walking it to their front door? Or are we going to be sending it to them in the mail? Are we going to be sending them a link where they can go log in to a home study course? Are we going to be doing a live event? Or are we going to be doing one-on-one sessions with them? Are we going to be doing, a group course where they're going to get in it for so long? How are we going to be delivering it to them, and how can we show them that how we're delivering it to them is going to help them in the fastest way? Then what we want to make sure that we do inside of our offers is we want to make sure we add things to our offers that are going to answer the internal and the external objections that people are going to have. So answering questions like, can I do this? Or do I have the resources to get this done? By answering those questions, you're going to be able to knock down any objections that people have when they see your offer, and ultimately make your offer a lot more enticing and ultimately get a lot more people to sign up fast. The last thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we give them a reason to take action now inside that offer. So we want to make sure when we're creating our life coaching offers that we give them bonuses, or specifically a deadline, letting them know that this offer is only available for so long, and we're going to give you some bonuses if you take action before this deadline to take action on this offer. By doing this, you're going to get a lot more people to sign up on your offers at a lot faster and a lot more velocity, meaning that a lot more people are going to sign up for your life coaching offers a lot more faster, and you are going to make a lot more money in the process. So, you know your who and you know your offer, but what are we going to actually start making money? Well, I'm going to start talking about that in a second, but I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so strategy number 3 is what we classify as profitable presentations. And what a profitable presentation is that's where you are going to go out there and you are going to put on a presentation where you are going to help people who come to that presentation, right, with a specific problem that they have. And then you are going to ask those people after helping them at this presentation, right, if you can help them more. What we're looking to do at these profitable presentations is we're looking to demonstrate specifically how we can help people by actually helping them. So we're bringing them to these presentations to get them started right on their journey as their guide, so that we can start helping them with the problems that they have, so that we can start being their guide and start showing them how they can get right to that destination, to that goal, to that target, and ultimately to the promised land of where they want to get to right now, right? And you are going to be that guide to start getting them on that path, being that guide, walking those steps to getting to where they want at these profitable presentations. Once you show them exactly how you can help them win at these profitable presentations, we simply just ask them if they would like to continue getting our help with the ultimate goal that they have in mind. Now, ultimately, since you're asking them, right, if you can help them after helping them, this makes it a lot easier for them to say yes, because guess what? You've already helped them, and guess what? They already believe that you can help them more. All right, strategy number 4. Now you have this profitable presentation, you know who it is that you want to present it to, and you have a specific offer that you can present at the end of this presentation. And the 5th strategy, what we want to make sure that we're doing is that we are providing places for us to put on these profitable presentations. Now, places where we can put on these profitable presentations are anywhere where you're going to be able to put on some sort of event. So you can do this virtually, you can do this live, but ultimately you can put on presentations where you have 10 people, where you have 5 people, where you have 50 people, hundreds of people. But there are multiple ways that you can put on presentations and different types of presentations that you can put on, or online events that you can host these presentations on. So what we recommend is that you're consistently going out there and putting on profitable presentations at events, right? So these events can be online or offline, right? But it's a lot easier a lot of times for you to start putting on virtual events. So what you can do is go out there and start running a virtual event where you are going to be able to run a workshop, run a masterclass, run sort of online summit or a challenge possibly, and you're going to be able to go out there and invite people that you know that want help with the problem that you're helping solve at this event, and you're going to be able to invite them to this profitable presentation, to this online event where you are going to be able to give them a profitable presentation, help them, and then guess what? Ask them for their help at the end of that profitable presentation. Before I go into this last piece, which is really going to help you, right, quadruple the amount of money that you are currently making in your life coaching business and that you'll start making with your profitable presentations, I want to ask you, what kind of life coach are you, and specifically, who is it that you're looking to help? Let me know in those comments. All right, so the 5th strategy that we really want to use in regards to signing up more life coaching clients and making more money as a life coach is we want to take these presentations, these successful presentations, profitable presentations, and events that we're putting on, and we want to make sure that we start stacking them in order that are all going to lead toward a common destination or high ticket offer later on down the road. So a lot of times, right, we might have a high ticket offer that we are putting out there to work with people one-on-one, or maybe work with people at a higher end. So typically these are going to be, right, smaller groups, or it's going to be one-on-one coaching. But the thing is we can only work with so many people at that level at a time. So what we want to do is we want to open and close a cart, right, every so often, and we can do this every couple of months, right, with, presentation stacking. So what we're able to do is we're able to do these profitable presentations and then take the people that come to these profitable presentations and specifically stack them in a way that is going to build momentum and then get them so excited that when you open, right, the cart for your high ticket offers, you're going to be able to then present those high ticket offers to the people that came to these profitable presentations as you stack them, right, over a couple of months or over a quarter, which is then going to be able to give you a lot of opportunities to sign up people into your high ticket offers, ultimately helping you keep full with your high ticket offers and basically keep a pipeline full of prospects who need your help at the highest level. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now in the description. Just click down here in the description and you can grab this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is going to be a 22-page guide showing you how you can go out there and become a life coach and make 6 figures as a life coach following our very simple 3-step system. Make sure to click that link down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking down there below and grabbing your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.